Time's getting on us, Harry.
Arr. That was a pirate movie, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it totally was.
Harry Potter's probably the best pirate movie I've ever seen. Though.
Definitely beat. I can't even think of the fucking.
I kind of like Lord of the Rings. That was a pretty good pirate movie, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Those
great one.
salty dogs. Aragon, what a salty dog he was.
Yeah. So salty.
And that little, the
And
little.
they fought the Kraken. It
Frodo.
was pretty cool.
So. That moment when he was 7'4".
Yeah. Frodo, the little cook, turned out to be a 7'4" dude. Yeah, he's pretty scary.
Why am I doing this to myself?
I don't know.
That's the question, Butters. That's the question.
Cause you dumb.
Ooh, singer.
That was a little bit uncalled for.
You don't know uncalled for.
I think you already said that.
No, I don't think that's not the one I've said.
Did you lose your melee unit?
No, he's just over here. He's just hanging out so he doesn't get hit.
Okay. Hey, I met
Can you
Kiev.
do food trade routes with your cities through boats? Is that a thing?
Yeah,
I believe so.
yeah, you can.
It may require a certain tech, but
No, it doesn't. I'm doing it right now.
Of course,
Alright.
going after the spearmen who cause you no harm, instead of the
Yeah.
longbowmen that are doing solid damage each turn.
I don't know. I mean, it is the spearmen that take the city after all.
It's true.
That's true, yeah.
There's true words that have been spoken. Oh, Polynesia.
my. What an army you have.
Oh, I see we have a warmonger. Better build an army. Kill him.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you acquired the Terracotta Army and the Temple of Artemis.
Oh gosh.
Is that the Temple of Artemis?
Yeah,
And the
no,
pyramids.
mausoleum,
Oh,
pyramid,
shit, yeah.
and Terracotta Army.
Oh yeah, I
Actually,
see them all. Mausoleum now.
me and this outside source of Civ knowledge I know, we're discussing the pyramids. In a sense, the pyramids is actually a half-decent wonder.
Why?
Because the only way to get pyramids is through the Liberty Tree, and if you're going down the Liberty Tree, chances are you're gonna have a shit ton of cities by the time you build it. So, by that looking of it, it'll give you all the workers you need for all your new cities.
Yeah, but most of the time people build it with only one city. Like
True.
I've seen people do that.
But that's weird.
Look at that! First place! First place!
Doesn't mean anything.
Better kill him.
See, Butters, if you're going for score, obviously being the warmonger is the right choice.
But it's so bad.
I don't know, that was pretty fun.
Bad to. Oh, he's got the taste. He's got the taste for blood.
Makes turns take forever, you know.
I mean, one should expect the English to be the warmonger, anyways.
Yeah.
Historically and in Civ.
Trevor, what's that cargo boat doing there? You planning on declaring war?
I think he does. That cargo boat is actually filled with explosives.
Oh god.
I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing, Trevor. I see what it's gonna be.
I think he wants to go.
The fuck? They had made a chicken strip, put like macaroni and cheese over it,
Okay.
dipped it in some kind of like strawberry, like I don't know, and then fried it.
Nice.
That may very well be the food that kills you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One bite.
That is the dankest chicken strip.
Yeah.
That seems like the next hit reality TV show.
Dankest chicken strip.
What?
Find
I-
you.
Oh, actually, I've met someone else, but I guess he met me. Butters,
Yeah.
you gonna accept that deal?
What deal?
Is it
I don't know.
Kamehameha?
So many things over there. I don't know. What would I like to research next? I don't know.
Oh, who built Alhambra?
I
don't know, but I'm gonna kill him.
Damn.
I've met someone.
I say that's probably Pedro.
Yeah, he's the culture sieve for sure.
I mean, I had spent one turn trying to build that. I am very angry.
They're fucking dicks. Then I feel your
One
pain, butter. How dare them?
Exactly. Declare war. Declare war, I kill you. Oh.
What? Why am I
Is
in
it-
it?
Oh, there's Pedro and his missionaries. Oh my god, so many missionaries.
Pretty good.
Wait, Egypt's in this game?
What?
Oh, what? What? Oh, what? I forgot.
Get out of here.
That was, yeah, I realized that
Someone's
now.
behind.
I was behind.
Wah, wah.
I was behind. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I wasn't thinking there.
Oh
Why
my-
is it named Watergate?
Oh,
I would-
it's American conspiracies. Watergate,
Oh.
the grassy knoll, Area 51.
I'll have to name my capital Illuminati.
What about the Twin Towers or whatever?
Yeah, Bush is next.
Bush did it.
But we already
Jet
have
fuel.
jet fuel. Can't. I mean, we already have that.
Yeah.
Ha!
Shh. Sleep, Trevor. Sleep forever.
Right, go.
Here we are. Wow, what a joyous old time that was. A long session here.
Quicker.
We are in the Renaissance. And so this is Jimbab from Jimbab Productions, joined alongside by Brendan, Trebs, and the Grim Patron.
Bye!
And we shall see you in the next one.
Die Kamehameha.